Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 2nd, 2021. We are going to give you all a price prediction update in the market for NIO stock. You guys can tell that this stock has done a pretty good movement within our trading channel of hitting our restriction area almost on yesterday's trading. We're going to talk about where the market is anticipated to go so that we can get in position and win in this space. And then we're going to look at this article right here. Okay, it's a NIO stock forecast, and it's going to go all into some technical jargon. And I want to show you some instances in this article to explain and try to get everyone to relate how technical analysis is not beneficial to you, and how just looking at a clean chart gives you a better idea as to where the market is going to go. So before I go into all of that, today's the first time ever seeing our videos, you all appreciate how someone is out here giving a prediction without you being confused. Make sure that you hit the like button, share, and subscribe if you want to join this community. If not, you guys can stick with these technical analysis charts down here to where you have 6, 7, 8 different indicators, and the only thing you want to know is where one price is going to go. You can do that, or you can follow us. All right, so let's talk about this article real quick. It was posted right here on fxstreet.com by Ivan Bryan. Okay, and a lot of people has been talking about the EV market recently because the majority of these companies has seen a pretty substantial movement higher in price on yesterday's trading day, meaning that NIO was also included in that movement higher. You guys can see right here, the market almost closed up about 10%, right? Now they tried to equate it because of XPEV announced deliveries that are up around 500% year on year, and as well as NIO was boosted by an upgrade from Citi. Now Citi, in his upgrade of this particular stock, is looking for the market to add an additional 50% to where price is, which is listed right there in the title of this article, right? So we'll look on the chart to see where 50% lies in terms of price and see if the market in NIO actually has enough momentum to try to grab that number. But Citi, they're upgrading their price target by at least 50%. Okay, so now let's talk about this stock forecast from Ivan Bryan, okay, who's the author of this article. Now, first things first, they start off stating that NIO has retraced nicely from the wedge formation that this particular website has identified, and it just stalled around the 200-day moving average, right? You guys can see right here the solid line there. The market is testing the 200-day moving average. Okay, now holding the 200-day moving average and breaking above that would be a very strong buy signal and should result in a breakout. Okay, the key word there is should. It's no guarantee that the market will, but just to see the market hold a massive 200-day moving average from their perspective is a buy. Okay, and then it goes into the top of the wedge channel is a resistance set at $40.60. The Williams %R, which I don't know what that is overbought, but neither the relative strength index, the RSI, or the commodity channel index are confirming. So out of all of those indicators that he has in this one paragraph, only one is hinting at the market going higher, right? And it's the 200-day. The price trading and holding support above the 200-day moving average. So the Williams %R is overbought. The relative strength index and the commodity channel index are all showing opposite of what the market is reflecting on a 200-day moving average. So the question is, what's the benefit of utilizing all of these indicators? Which direction do you still expect the price to go? Is NIO a buy or is NIO a sell? Since you have 3 indicators pointing at overbought, and you got 1 indicator that is showing that the market is bullish, do you wait until all 4 are confirming that NIO is a buy? Because you guys can already tell from our price chart that this market in NIO has seen pretty good gains already. So where have those indicators been in NIO since May the 13th to yesterday? This market has already seen 37%, almost 38% profitability from the low of May 13th to the beginning of June. We've already seen 37%. And the indicators that Ivan is talking about on this article is still not even confirming that movement. You're already chipping off those profits that you can have garnered into the market in NIO. And these are all the indicators down here, which is massively confusing. You just see a lot of squiggly lines on the bottom of this chart, which cannot confirm the price trading above 200-day moving average. So why are you even utilizing this? There are a series of support flags that worked as bullish flags on the way up in late 2020. These areas should work as support zones if the stock begins to fall, particularly if NIO breaks out of the wedge pattern. So again, all of this written in this article, all of this plastered on this price chart, and you still have no idea if Ivan is bullish or bearish on this stock. The only thing that he confirmed is that Citi has upgraded their price target by 50%. Okay. So now let's see what 50% is though. Let's see what is the price target that Citi is expecting this market in NIO to get to. 50%. And take a look at where that is. It literally takes this price in NIO to the all-time high levels. That's it. That's the only thing that Citi is expecting. They're expecting NIO to come right back up there towards all-time highs. I don't know if that's going to be within a yearly time frame that they're expecting this market to go up there to all-time highs in NIO, but we'll talk about it. That's what we're here for. So now let's talk about the result of our last price prediction in NIO on May the 11th. Was the last time we did it. We played the weakness into the market in NIO, right? Now we had our TP price in NIO right there around $32, and the market, what, 2 or 3 days into us conducting this prediction, it came and hit that area. Our ultimate TP price though was around $29. The market didn't get that low. So if anything, we were still able to grab 6, almost 7% out the market right before NIO reversed course and moved higher. Okay. So now you guys can listen to our last video in NIO to see where our TP price was around $32. It is in our NIO playlist. So again, the market for the most part in NIO hasn't been doing anything but bouncing between these two lines. Now on yesterday's trading day, we're actually seeing that the market is hinting that it wants to break our line to the upside, which I actually think the market's going to do that. Okay. So what we need to do is extend or move our restriction area into the market in NIO. So is it around $44? Okay. Do you think it's around 48? So the two areas that I'm seeing into the market in NIO is around 44, ultimately up there towards 48. Now I'm looking at this on the 5-day time frame, and the way this spread looks over the last 2 5-day price bars, that $44 is not going to be a big problem into the market in NIO of grabbing and taking out. So we're going to lift this restriction area towards $48 into the market in NIO. Okay. Last week was a fantastic week into the market in NIO as well. We saw the market close towards the high of the bar. And now we're starting out this current weekly price bar well above the support area. So I would stay bullish into the market or expect the NIO to go higher so long as this market price trades above this area right here, which is around $40. Okay. We break $40 to the downside, this market in NIO is still going to consolidate, period. How do we end for the month of June? For the month of May, you all can see here that we've seen the last 3 months in NIO to where we've seen this consolidational trading to where the market was able to open and close here, right? So even though over the last 3 months, NIO has came and traded around $34, we were still able to see this market in NIO close up there towards the upper 30s to around low $40 level. So that tells us that the majority of the individuals who came into NIO wanted the price to go there. If they didn't, we would have seen the market on these last 3 months close towards the low of these bars, but we didn't. So that tells me that this is a good area to where we're seeing a lot of institutional buyers come through, and they're willing to support the price around $40, period. All right. So on this particular video, we are going to play the strength into the market in NIO as well. Now we're going to be conservative. We're not going to be like Citi and expect the market to go to all-time highs. We're going to play this on a shorter time frame because I think most analysts place their price targets on a 12-month time frame. Okay, so now I like this area right here to hold support in NIO around $37.50. Our new area of restriction is going to be around 48. And this is how we're going to play this market. Okay. Now I would come through and TP out the market around $45 though. That was the last time that we've seen the market hit restriction or even acted as support. That would give us 6%. Okay. When the market comes and tag that number around $45, $44.50, give or take, around that particular area, we will have to TP the market there because NIO can come back down after that price is touched. But I'm going to extend it up here towards 48. Okay. So now we're in position. We didn't have to give you the Williams percent R, the commodities channel index, the relative strength index, no moving averages, anything. And we're still showing you that we're still expecting this price to go higher. This article didn't give you an idea. It kind of left you out on a limb guessing where the market in NIO is going to go. For us, you guys can see our expectations. So now it's your turn. Call the markets. You need to learn how to call the market for yourself. See where you all expect the market price to go. And you do that by placing a price prediction. So drop a comment in the comment section and tell me where do y'all expect the market price in NIO to go. Let's do this over the next 2 weeks. Where would price be in NIO in the next 2 weeks according to your prediction? Let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.